And then as far as process for, okay, the deal's done, you've been paid, everything's great. Do you have a process in place for making sure you stay in contact with your clients afterwards? 'Cause
Yes.
that's huge. I mean, you run into a lot of people and you ask them, how's your experience? Oh, you bought a house. Congratulations. How was your agent? And then you ask them maybe 6 months later.
They
they're
forget
like,
all
"Oh,
about
that's
them.
my agent."
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
so you have something
So,
put in place for that.
yes, so the post-close process, I mean, we have multiple touch points. However, the biggest, top 3 that you should do is the House-iversary. You always have a reason within a year to reach out to them. Their birthday,
Yes.
which you should have captured at
Yeah.
some point through all the data collection. And then pop-bys. So here in Michigan, we've got our 4 seasons. No reason why you can't stop by twice a year and just, you're in the area, because you do sell real estate everywhere. You're likely going to be in that area. Pop by with a gift card, pop by with something just to say, hey, how's it going? I was in the area, selling a house down the street, wanted to see how you're doing. So right there, you've got, your 4 quarterly touches.